Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to What's She Up To Now, day 1658, documenting the journey, business journey primarily, over the last 1,600 plus days, to just share lessons learned both offline and online as I transitioned originally from the corporate world of business in 2004 into and prior to that I'd had my own businesses on the side as well as working in corporate America, but left corporate America for good in 2003, 2004, end of 2003, 2004. I guess I took some time off and then jumped into full-time running my own businesses, and ran one of them for 35 years, and then decided that I was going to transition to the online world following my divorce and a whole lot of complicated personal drama and nonsense that nobody cares about or wants to know about. But keep in mind that we all have those things in our life. We all have challenges. We all have crazy things that happen in our life. So I'm going to close this poll. I set up a poll yesterday and never launched it apparently. So whenever I make a video on this page, and you're probably not watching it on my page, but it pops up and is in my face, and I wanted to see sparkles today. I haven't used sparkles for a long time in a filter, so I thought it'd be kind of fun. Plus, got my daughter's Duck Duck Gray Duck cup, which I love because her daughter loves ducks, and she's gonna have a little sister next year. So it'll be two girls and a mommy, but she won't be a gray duck yet. I hope I get to be the gray duck because the gray hair, and I say I've earned every wrinkle and every gray hair, and through experiences, right? Through all of our experiences. So we're talking about confidence this month for the Supersize Your Business Challenge, for the excuse my throat, BU 365 Day Challenge. This year's annual challenge is to do one thing every day that improves us, improves me, improves the people that are doing the challenge. Guess what? You can pop in anytime and join us and just do one little thing a day that makes you a better version of yourself, that helps you get to know yourself better. And I think confidence is a lot about getting to know and trust ourselves better. Not just other people, but if we trust ourselves and know ourselves, we trust other people and we understand other people better. At least that's been my experience. The more I learn, the more I develop, the more I grow, the more I read, the more I experience, the more I trust in my own experiences and ability to figure stuff out, the more faith I have in other human beings. I think that there's probably a direct correlation there. So we're working on confidence this month. Tomorrow, we are starting and applying the SOAP framework to one specific area of confidence. And today we need to pick that area. What area do we want to feel more confident in? Maybe it's a situation that you find yourself in regularly that you're just a little iffy in, and you want to go into it gangbusters with lots of confidence. Maybe you're interviewing for a new position. Maybe you want to switch from working from home back to work, or vice versa, working from the office to working from home, and you want to present that idea confidently to your boss and your coworkers. Maybe, back a couple years ago, that would have been a huge undertaking that took a lot of confidence. Now, not so much because of COVID, and that's, I think, one of the good things that came out of COVID is we realized that the alternate work type situations, what works for some people doesn't work for others, but we have to do what works for us, and that gives us confidence to ask for the things we need. So we're going to pick that area today, and then today we talked about for an idiom for Supersize Your Business related to confidence to make my life easier, confidence building measures. And this is a relatively new expression, although the idea of it has been around for a long time. It's the idea of reducing conflict, reducing hostilities, or preventing hostilities, putting plans in place to prevent hostilities. Traditionally, it was applied to different countries or different, I suppose, regions of the world or warring factions, but it was solidified in the 1975 alarm alert. In 1975 in Helsinki, the Conference on Security, to create and implement measures that build trust and confidence that the people in Europe would have and apply and follow guidelines so that things would stay neutral and there was more trust and there wasn't going to be war breaking out in Europe again. So I just asked the question, how do you increase confidence in yourself and others as you're building and growing and supersizing your business? That's how I tied it to Supersize Your Business Group. That's what I'm working on. If I can help you anyway, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Have an awesome day.